Good morning, one and all. So we are discussing trigonometry chapter. In the last class, we discussed about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So can we recall the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles? So question is for question for Shanvi. That day I gave one homework no Shanvi for you. So you are not there that time. That's why. So today it's your time. So can you tell me the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles? Yes, Shanvi? Shanvi. Strike out Nikki Lesnaik's name is present. Shanvi. Hello, Shanvi. Yeah, Shanvi. Shanvi. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Tell me fast. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Shanvi is not speaking. Okay, now Sai Priya.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me fast. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles.
Sin AO 1 by 2.
What?
0 degree 0.
Not that one. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Last class, just recall the last class. What we learned in the last class?
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಾನು ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, so recorded portion also? Yeah, Preeti Gowda, strike out the name. Preeti is present now. Yeah. Now, Preeti. Yes, tell me fast. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles.
is equal to BC by AC.
Hey, I don't want this much and all. So I need the final 6 results.
Mataji.
Final 6 results. Fatafat. See, this is the condition. Nehavi. Now it's time for Nehavi. Neha.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me fast.
Sin C is equal to AP divided by AC.
I don't want that one. I'm asking the final result of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What we discussed in the last class actually. What result we got in the last actually.
Sin
Mataji,
90.
now can I tell?
Now its time is over, Preeti. Your time is over. Kavya.
Mataji.
Yes, Kavya.
Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta.
Sin 90 degree minus theta or A you can use. Okay. Which is equal to cos A. Then second one.
Cos 90 minus.
Cos 90 minus A is equal to
Sin A.
sin A. Then third one.
Tan 90 degree minus A.
Tan 90 minus A which is equal to
Cot A.
cot A. Okay, next fourth one.
Secant 90 degree minus A equal to
You
cosec
jump to
A.
secant. Let us finish tan and cot now. Already tan I took in the third result. Can you tell me the cot result?
Cot 90 degree minus A equal to tan A.
Okay, cot 90 degree minus A is equal to tan A. Okay, next fifth one.
Secant 90 degree minus A equal to cosec A.
Yes, secant 90 degree minus A is equal to cosec A. Then sixth one.
Cosec 90 degree minus A equal to secant A.
Yes, cosec 90 degree minus A is equal to secant A. So, 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This is the final result now we used in the problems. Okay, so now today using this result we have to complete one exercise part. I think almost all the students they have finished the exercise part. Okay, so this is my assumption. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. Okay, so let us discuss the exercise solutions now. So see, I'll share one page for you for that. Here we have the solution of exercise 11.3. So many of the students they have finished the exercise 11.3. You just verify your answer whether the answer is right or wrong. Let us discuss the 11.3 exercise once. Okay. So first question is evaluate sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So this is like example problems. Now in the example part actually we discussed this type of problem. Sine 18 degree next divided by cos 72 degree. Here we have to keep one data as it is. That is your choice. Okay. So here we are choosing actually sine 18 fixed. Sine 18 we are not going to touch. We'll keep sine 18 as sine 18 only. So we are going to discuss with the cos 72. So for that cos A result is equal to sine 90 degree minus A. Then in A place 72 degree is there. So cos 72 degree is equal to sine 90 degree minus 72 degree. So cos 72 is equal to sine of 90 minus 72 is sine 18. Okay, cos 72 degree value which is equal to sine 18 degree. Now we have to substitute. Okay, cos 72 degree is as sine 18 degree in the given problem. So sine 18 degree as it is divided by this cos 72 degree is replaced as sine 18 degree according to this trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. So therefore sine 18 divided by sine 18 which is equal to 1. Got the idea of the first question, right? So it's a very simple problem. Okay, now in the same way we'll work out one more problem. Tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. Same to same type of problem. So here you are keeping this one as constant. Tan 26 you just keep tan 26 only. So we are dealing with the denominator part. In the denominator part cot 64 degree is there. So we are taking the result of cot A is equal to tan 90 degree minus A. Cot A is equal to tan 90 degree minus A. A place 64 degree. So cot 64 degree is equal to tan of 90 degree minus 64. That is cot 64 is equal to tan 26. Okay, cot 64 which is equal to tan 26. Now substitute the value. Tan 26 you are taking tan 26 only. Divided by, so cot 64 you can take it as tan 26 only. So tan 26 cancelled. The answer is 1. Is that clear, students? So this is about the first and second question. So now we'll go to the next one, third one, first main, third question. So cos evaluate, heading is evaluate only. So third question is cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Yes, one second. Yeah. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. So how can we solve this problem actually? So cos 48 minus sine 42. Here also you have to think which one we have to maintain constant. Any one value you have to keep constant. Okay. So here they are keeping sine 42. Here we are keeping sine 42 as sine 42 only. We are not going to touch sine 42. Now we are going to make some changes in cos 48. Cos 48 we can write it in the form of sine 90 minus 48, no, because cos A is equal to sine of 90 minus A. So that's why cos 48 we can write it in the form of sine of 90 minus 48. So cos 48 which is equal to sine 42. We got the answer of cos 48, no? Cos 48 is also equal to sine 42. Now substitute this sine 42 in the given expression. Cos 48 we have to substitute as sine 42 minus sine 42 as it is. Therefore, sine 42 minus sine 42, answer is 0. Answer is 0. I think everyone got the same answer, right? One second. Admit. Okay. So now fourth question. Fourth question is cosec 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. 59 degree. Again same type of problem. Here also you have to set one thing as it is. Another one you have to change. So here we are going to fix this secant 59 as it is. So we have to change this cosec 31. Cosec A is equal to secant 90 minus A. Therefore, cosec 31 is equal to secant 90 degree minus 31 degree. Then cosec 31 degree which is equal to secant 59 degree. Then substitute cosec 31 as secant 59. Then secant 59 minus secant 59 which is equal to 0. Is that clear, students? Secant 59 minus secant 59 which is equal to 0. This is about the first main 4 problems. Is that clear? Very simple problems. Okay, now we'll go to the second main problem. Show that tan 48 degree. Okay, show that tan 48 degree and into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree which is equal to 1. We have to show that. So this LHS which is equal to this RHS, that is 1. Tan 48 into tan 23 degree into tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1 we have to show. So for that, first we will take with the tan 48. Tan 48, how can we write tan 48? Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A, no? So this is not moving properly. Okay, tan 48. So we can take tan 48 as cot 90 degree minus 48 because tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Then tan 48 value is equal to 90 minus 48 is 42. Cot 42. Tan 48 value which is equal to cot 42 value. Now, one more thing in the basic class, first class you just recall. Tan degree, tan which is equal to tan 48 which is equal to. So, can we write this cot 42 as 1 by tan 42? Reciprocal, no? Cot and tan. So, that's why cot 42, we can write it in the form of 1 by tan 42. Can we write like this? Yes, cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, no? Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. We all know the result. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. See here, we have to show that this is actually this expression which is equal to 1. We have to show that. So here I took the relationship of the reciprocal, that is. So here cot 42 we have to modify as 1 by tan 42. Here the reason is cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So now same thing we have to do with this one. So tan 67, we are going to take this tan 67 degree. So why we are taking only first one and last one? This is actually one trick. You just observe. Tan 48 we took, no? Here we got the value. Tan 42 we got. Here tan 42 is there. So we took the reciprocal actually. One cot 42 is 1 by tan 42. In tan 42 we can cancel. That trick we are applying. That's why. Okay, we have to take the reciprocal. Mataji, why we have to take the reciprocal? Heng gotagatte ant heli. So here tan 42 is fixed here. Actually, if I write this tan 48 which is equal to cot 42, we cannot simplify further. But we know one relationship that cot 42, here also 42 is there. So tan 42 is there. Can we write that cot as tan form? Yes, cot A is equal to 1 by tan E. Using that trick, you can write tan 48 is equal to 1 by tan 42. Now, in the same way, I am going to take this one. Tan 67 degree. Okay, you can take this one also, second one also, by keeping these two constant. Okay, so now we are choosing this one, tan 67 degree. Tan 67 is equal to cot of 90 minus 67. You all know. Tan 67 is equal to cot 23. Then tan 67 is equal to cot 23. Again, we can write it in the form of 1 by tan A. That is 1 by tan 23. Got the idea? Tan 23 here. So tan 23 and this tan 42 we are keeping as it is. Only we are changing this tan 48 and tan 67 so that everything will be cancelled and remaining is 1. So that is actually the plan. Okay. See, some students are waiting. 1 second. Okay. Now what we have to do? So we have to substitute this tan 48 as 1 by tan 42 and tan 67 as 1 by tan 23. That's just that work we have to complete. So we'll go to the next page now, just a simplification page. See here we have to substitute tan 48 as 1 by tan 42 into tan 23 as it is, tan 42 as it is, and tan 67 we have to write it as tan 1 by tan 23. Now here tan 23, this tan 23 get cancelled. Tan 42 get cancelled. Now 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. LHS which is equal to RHS. Got the idea of this problem, student? Second problem, LHS which is equal to RHS. We got the result as 1. Is it clear, students? So I think you don't have any confusion, right? It is very simple actually. Now, second question. Second question. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to 0 we have to show. Now the target is this side we have to make 0. How can we make 0? Let us take with this one, cos 38 and cos 52. Okay, cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. So cos 38 we can write it as sin 90 minus 38. Then cos 38 value which is equal to sin 52. Got the idea of this one? Cos 38 value is equal to sin 52. Also, now take cos 52 value. Cos 52 we can write it as sin 90 minus 52. Then cos 52 is equal to sin 38. Here cos 38 value which is equal to sin 52. Then cos 52 which is equal to sin 38. Now take this original expression. Cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Now here cos 38 and cos 52, just now we got the result. Now cos 38 place sin 52 replaced as sin 52. Then cos 52 value replaced as cos 52 minus this one same, sin 38 and sin 52 same. Now in both the expression, okay, so one thing we are noticing as common factor. What is that? Sin 52 is common in both the expression. Can we remove that sin 52 outside? Yes, you can take sin 52 outside. Then what is inside? Here cos 52 is inside. Then here sin 38 is inside. Okay, sin 52 outside. Remaining in the bracket cos 52 minus sin 38. Once again, cos 52 value is what? Sin 38. Just substitute that one. So that is sin 38 minus sin 38. Sin 38 cos 52 is replaced as sin 38 actually. Sin 38, okay. Then sin 38. Sin 38, sin 38. See here actually cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52. Actually cos 38 value we substituted sin 52, but cos 52 as it is we are taking. Okay, cos 52 as it is we are taking. Then minus this one is same. So in this expression sin 52 is outside. Then now we have to substitute cos 52 as sin 38. In second value we used here. Okay, sin 38 minus sin 38. Then sin 52 degree is into sin 38 minus sin 38 which is equal to 0. Therefore, sin 52 into 0 which is equal to 0. Anything is into 0 is 0 only, no? So, therefore, LHS which is equal to RHS. Cos 38, cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 which is equal to 0. Got the idea of this problem, students? Actually, in the first step, we substituted this value only. So, cos 52 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ step ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos 52 we substituted as sin 38. Is that clear, students? This is the explanation part for the 1 second. Waiting in the lobby. Yeah, Vinayak entered. Check out that Vinayak's name. Okay, this is the explanation of the second problem. So now the strength is 53. Okay, students, 1 second. Akshay. See here, the third question is like this. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. See, first tan a result we have to recall. What is that tan a? Tan a is equal to cot of 90 degree minus a. We all know this one. Okay. Next, let us write tan 2a. Here we have tan 2a. How can we express tan 2a in the form of this? Tan a is equal to cot 90 minus a. Tan 2a is equal to cot of 90 minus 2a. We can write, no? Yes. See, we got the warning that only 5 minutes is remaining. You just join with the same link for further 10 minutes after this problem. Okay. So, because we have to complete this exercise, no? Last one, 4 problems is remaining. Let us finish that one. Okay, so let us complete this third problem. Then I'll end the meeting. Then you just join with the same link. Okay, yes. See here, tan a is equal to cot of 90 degree minus a. So this relation we are using to solve this problem. So in place of a, let us write tan 2a. Tan 2a is equal to cot of 90 degree minus 2a. Call this equation as equation number 1. Then what is the condition given actually? Tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree is given. Call this equation as equation number 2. So we got this equation 1 and 2. Just observe tan 2a, tan 2a. So here which axiom we can apply? Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So that tan 2a, this RHS parts are equal to the same partner tan 2a. So therefore, according to axiom 1, cot 90 degree minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay. Cot 90 degree minus 2a, which is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. So we all know this one. 90 minus 2a and a minus 18 degree. So both are acute angles. Acute angles ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ here LHS part which is matches with the RHS part. Anyhow already LHS is equal to RHS. That's why we can cancel this cot relationship. Okay. Cot function we can strike out. If we strike out the cot function also, we can say that this 90 degree minus 2a which is equal to a minus 18 degree. So here cot get cancelled. Remaining is 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Okay, 90 minus 2a which is equal to a minus 18 degree. Now consider the like terms one side. 90 plus minus 18 when we transfer this side it becomes plus 18. Then a minus 2a comes this side, then plus 2a which is equal to 3a. So here 90 plus 18 is 108. Then 108 by 3 which is equal to 36. Okay, a value which is equal to 36. This is the explanation of the third problem. Same to same we have discussed in the example problems, right? This is very important problem, student, to find the value of a. This type of questions you may get in the examination. Very simple. Here we are using an axiom actually. Okay. Yes, this is about the third question. Now let us try to find out fourth one also. Time is there. Very simple question. If the meeting ends, you just join with the same link. Okay, some students are leaving better. We'll end the meeting. Then we'll again join the meeting. Is that clear? Okay, now I'm going to end the meeting. Join with the same link fast.